Hey, Dr. Dan Brown here from Chiropractic Life in Perth. Today we've got Sam here. Now Sam gets a little bit of low backache. He's quite busy with his massage and so we're going to be checking him out today to see how he is. So we're going to be looking at Sam's leg length. This gives us an indication of if there's any tension patterns in the spine. So what we can see here is Sam's got a right short leg. Okay, turn your head to the left, Sam. Again, it's still short on the right, and turn your head to the right. Again, still short. Now then when we bend the knees, we can see the leg length equal, straighten the head, that's similar. The leg length is equal there. So what this tells me is a pelvic issue. So we're going to be palpating the SI joints, and we can find out here that this is subluxated on the right hand side. So pop onto your left hand side, Sam, just so you're facing out. Okay. And we're going to be rolling Sam over. So what we're going to do is after every adjustment we're going to check and we're going to make sure that we're getting the objective changes that we've set out to achieve. So we're having a quick look at Sam's leg length, and instantly you can see that his leg length is equal there. Now turn your head to the left, buddy. Again, equal. Turn your head to the right. And his leg length goes short when he turns his head to the right. This tells me there's going to be a cervical issue here. So I'm going to get you to have a wee seat for me, buddy. Go. Okay, grab a seat there. And then just draw the head forward. Okay, so on this right side of the neck, we can feel that subluxated. So, if you just drop the head right the way down, just let it drop. Okay. Perfect. That's moving an awful lot better. Yeah. So let's get you up on the bench and let's check that out for you.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So again, we're going to be checking the leg length here. So we can see his leg length is equal. Turn your head to the left, Sam. Again, equal. Turn your head to the right. Again, equal. So perfect. So that's Sam's spine clear. His nervous system's going to be working, his body can heal better, it can adapt to his environment. And that's the name of the game.